Aromatic herb gardens have been cherished for centuries, not only for their culinary and medicinal properties, but also for the captivating scents they release into the air. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice with a green thumb, embarking on the journey of creating an aromatic herb garden is a gratifying experience that can transform your outdoor space into a haven of fragrant bliss. Selecting the right herbs. Lavender, the queen of aromatics. Lavender, with its elegant purple spikes, is a quintessential choice for aromatic gardens. Known for its calming properties, this herb adds a touch of serenity to your space and attracts pollinators like bees. Rosemary, a fragrant culinary companion. Rosemary, with its needle-like leaves and woody aroma, is not only a versatile herb in the kitchen, but also a fragrant addition to your garden. It thrives in well-drained soil and basks in sunlight, making it an ideal candidate for a sunny spot in your garden. Mint varieties, fresh and invigorating. The diverse family of mints, including peppermint and spearmint, brings a burst of freshness to your garden. These vigorous herbs are best contained in pots to prevent them from spreading uncontrollably. Basil, aromatic elegance in green. Basil, with its rich green leaves and sweet aroma, is a staple in many cuisines. Planting different basil varieties adds both visual interest and a symphony of scents to your herb garden. Thyme, ground cover with grace. Thyme, with its low growing habit and delicate leaves, is an excellent choice for ground cover. Its fragrance intensifies when crushed, making it a sensory delight as you walk through your garden. Sage, earthy and robust. Sage, known for its earthy fragrance and silvery leaves, adds a robust character to your aromatic herb garden. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in well-drained soil. Designing your aromatic herb garden, the scented pathway. Create a sensory journey within your garden by designing pathways lined with aromatic herbs. As you walk through, the gentle brushing of leaves releases their scents, enveloping you in a fragrant embrace. Vertical gardens for limited space. If space is a constraint, consider vertical gardening. Install hanging pots or wall-mounted planters to maximize your growing area, while adding a touch of greenery and fragrance to walls and fences. Companion planting for synergy. Harness the power of companion planting by placing herbs that complement each other in close proximity. For example, plant basil near tomatoes to enhance both flavors and scents. Aromatic borders. Define garden borders with aromatic herbs to create a visually appealing and fragrant frame. Lavender or rosemary, with their varying heights, can serve as excellent border plants. Maintaining your aromatic herb garden. Pruning for health and shape. Prune after flowering to stimulate new growth. Adequate sunlight and water. Most aromatic herbs thrive in full sunlight. Ensure your garden receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Water consistently, but avoid waterlogged soil, as many aromatic herbs prefer well-drained conditions. Harvesting for maximum aroma. Timing is crucial when harvesting aromatic herbs. The essential oils that give herbs their fragrance are most concentrated just before the plant flowers. Harvest in the morning when the oils are at their peak. In conclusion, creating an aromatic herb garden is a journey of sensory delight and visual splendor. From the calming lavender to the invigorating mint, each herb contributes to a symphony of scents that enhance your outdoor experience. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a compact balcony, the art of cultivating aromatic herbs allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of fragrant plants. As you embark on this aromatic adventure, remember that the beauty of an herb garden lies not just in its visual appeal, but in the intoxicating scents that waft through the air. creating a haven of tranquility and sensory joy.